Ever felt like your trusty spreadsheet is holding you back? Drowning in formulas, lost in cell references, and praying your colleagues haven't accidentally deleted a crucial column? For many of us, Excel has been the go-to tool for data organization since the dawn of personal computers. But the digital landscape is evolving, and new project management platforms are emerging, promising a more streamlined and collaborative approach. One such platform is Monday.com, a project management software with a slick interface and features that seem like Excel's cooler, more organized cousin. So, the question begs, is Monday.com the spreadsheet slayer, or is Excel an irreplaceable classic? In this video, we'll dive into the strengths and weaknesses of both platforms to help you decide which one deserves a place in your workflow. The familiar friend, the power and pitfalls of Excel. Let's face it, Excel is a powerhouse. Its formula functionality allows for complex calculations and data manipulation, making it a favorite for accountants, analysts, and anyone who thrives on number crunching. It's also incredibly versatile. Need a budget tracker? A project timeline? A to-do list with conditional formatting? Excel can handle it all with a little elbow grease on your part, of course. However, Excel's strength is also its weakness. Its vast capabilities can be overwhelming for beginners. The learning curve is steep, and mastering formulas can take time and dedication. Collaboration can also be a nightmare. Sharing spreadsheets can lead to version control issues and accidental overwrites. Remember the horror stories of colleagues deleting crucial data with a misplaced keystroke? Yeah, not fun. The new kid on the block. Unveiling the magic of Monday.com. Monday.com, on the other hand, takes a different approach. Imagine a visual, user-friendly interface that lets you organize your projects in a way that's intuitive and, dare we say, fun. Monday.com utilizes boards, where you can create customizable columns for tasks, deadlines, assignees, and even file attachments. Collaboration is a breeze. Team members can see updates in real time, discuss tasks within the platform, and automate workflows, eliminating the need for endless email chains and frantic searches for the latest version of the spreadsheet. Plus, Monday.com integrates with a wide range of other tools, creating a central hub for your project management needs. But is it all sunshine and rainbows? Monday.com, while powerful, might not be the perfect fit for everyone. For one, the robust formula functionality of Excel isn't quite there yet. While you can still do calculations, it's not as complex or customizable. Additionally, Monday.com has a learning curve of its own, albeit a gentler one than Excel. Understanding how to best utilize boards and automations takes some practice. Choosing your champion. When does each tool shine? So, which platform reigns supreme? The answer, like most things in life, is, it depends. Here's a breakdown to help you decide. Excel wins when you need advanced formula functionality and data manipulation. You're a solo player and don't require extensive collaboration features. You're already comfortable with Excel's interface and don't want to invest time in learning a new platform. Monday.com wins when you crave a visual and intuitive project management experience. Collaboration is key, and you need real-time updates and discussions within the platform. You want a streamlined workflow with automations to eliminate tedious tasks. A dynamic duo, not a death match. Here's the truth. Excel and Monday.com aren't necessarily rivals. They can coexist in your workflow toolbox. Use Excel for complex calculations and data analysis, and leverage Monday.com for project organization, collaboration, and task management. Think of it this way. Excel is your high-powered calculator, while Monday.com is your project management command center. Together, they can help you conquer any task or spreadsheet mountain. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.